Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim, bringing you guys daily deals with Tim, where I talk about the latest news and deals on cryptocurrency, all for you guys. And before I begin, this is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. I think I mixed that up a bit. But anyways, it is good to be back on this channel. Now, sorry guys for not updating. There has been a lot of things going on in my life. I had to go to this place, other states, and blah 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 blah, and work and all these stuff, but I haven't lost my sight on cryptocurrency, as I believe it is still one of the most important aspects of my life and for all of yours life as well. So if you guys have been wondering, how has the cryptocurrency market been? Now it's been stagnant, and it's been going a bit downwards, I would say. And to be honest, I have lost a bit of an interest on cryptocurrency, as there's so much things going on in my life, but I haven't lost sight on these cryptocurrencies. Now, some of you guys might think that cryptocurrency, it was just a 2017 thing where crypto shot up with all this hype around it and then shot back down, and now it's going to die out forever. But at least for me, I do not think so, as cryptocurrencies is not just a fad, it's not just a novelty, it's not that. I believe that this is somewhat of a stable currency, although that is ironic to say, is going to stay here forever. Not because it's the best thing in the world. No, I think it's just one of the tools that you use in your life to either get or pay off stuff that you need to pay off, or to make a living, whatever it might be. But I believe that cryptocurrency is one of the tools that you use in your life that you could pay off stock with or invest in, whatever you need to do with it. But I believe it is a very useful tool, and that's why I continue to hodl and hold on to my cryptocurrencies. And oh man, that meme it seems like so long. Hodl, hold on to your life, or hold on for your life, whatever that might be. But I believe that it still pertains to us today, as if you guys have seen the market recently, it's been quite stagnant. It dropped a bit today, maybe yesterday, 2 to 5%, but relatively it's been on a continual kind of stabilization, a little towards the bottom. And if you guys look at the Bitcoin chart, which is the big dog, the king of cryptocurrencies, the chart has been, at least for me, it's been very optimistic. As you can see, we've had that crazy run up in December of 2017. And then right now there has been some erratic movements, but if you look at the chart, it's slowly bottoming out. And I know that people said, crypto bottomed out right here, they bottomed out right here, right here. But if you see this trend around that 6,000 mark, there has been a good amount of resistance. And right now it's holding on to that 6,000 for a very long time. I would say actually it hasn't been that long. It's only been a year. But for us, for just regular Joes out there, a year is a long time for cryptocurrencies, as prices might change within a couple days, up to 50, 100%. Goes back and forth, and it's always it was really an exciting time around these time. But recently it's been more stagnant, a bit dry and boring. But I believe, this is simply my personal opinion, it's at these times where you can make the most profits, or just it is these times where I have to get in. I'm not saying you have to get in, no. You guys have your own situations, your own financial shenanigans, whatever it may be. But for me, I believe that this is a good opportunity to get in. However, considering my situation, I am unable to invest in right now for various reasons. But I believe when I have the leeway, when I have that space to invest into cryptocurrencies, I'm definitely looking into invest in the near future. Now, personally, I think this might go on for maybe a couple more months or a couple more years. I don't know, but from what I'm predicting, I believe that it'll probably be stagnant for a bit more, and then when there is no more buyers, that's when it's going to have that deep capitulation where there's going to be panic sellers, maybe to 4,000, maybe to 3,000, whatever that might be. And then after that happens and there is no more sellers, that's when the risk takers buy in, and from there on is going to be another trend up, just like what happened over here. Now, that's simply my prediction. It doesn't have to go that way. It can stay stagnant for 10 years, 20 years, whatever that might be. But I believe that this pattern is actually really good for the cryptocurrencies, as it is bottoming out, it's becoming dry and boring for people. And when that continues on, there's going to be a catalyst in the future, some kind of an event or some kind of a massive buyer that comes in and start up another trend to another bull run. But I don't know when that might be, but it is coming in the future. And then it's going to have all these cycle again. It's going to go maybe to 50,000, and people are going to be, we got to buy in at 50,000. And when that happens, it's going to drop back to 10,000. They say this is a scam, and everything that you've seen before from 2016 to 17 to 18, it's just a cycle of newcomers, of old people seeing the opportunities to grab in and to sell at the right time. And all these stuff is just going to be a deja vu. It's going to happen again and again, and I believe this is going to happen. But in the future of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, I see a positive vision. I see a continual uptrend. And this is going to be one of the, I wouldn't say a stable currency, but a long-lasting currency that will be in existence, I believe, throughout my lifetime and probably through your lifetime as well. So that's just my take on cryptocurrencies. And in 2018, I think cryptocurrency are in a very good place. And just talking for myself, my plan is, I kind of mentioned it earlier, but when I get the leeway, when I get that extra space to be able to invest into something, that's going to be, cryptocurrency is going to be one of my investments in the very near future. And as I've explained earlier in the previous videos, check it out if you want to, but dollar cost averaging is one of the best ways that I've figured out, or not, that I have learned through watching various videos and just learning from earlier crypto investors. That is one of the best ways to invest in, especially in cryptocurrency, I believe. But that said, there's going to be major FUD, probably for a couple months, maybe a year or so. Crypto is dying out. The volatility is going crazy into the red, blah, blah, blah. There's going to be more people that comes up saying, oh, look at this cryptocurrency. It was only a fad. It's a scam. And all these people are going to continue to say it until there's going to be another bull run. And then people are going to say it again. Oh, this is only a temporary. And then it's going to keep going up until those people buy in at the top, and then it falls. So I would say you guys don't have to invest into cryptocurrency. It's just another tool that you can use or you don't have to use. However, I would say if you guys are interested, keep an eye on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, as it's going to be a important feature that someday we are all going to see and just see and observe. But that said, I'm really glad to be back. I'm hoping to make more videos like this in the future on just my overall sentiment and other news on cryptocurrencies, but so far I still haven't sold any of my cryptocurrencies, at least the ones that I have mentioned in my previous videos. So I'm a long-term hodler. It's only been like a year or two, but I'm really excited for this space, and I hope you guys are too. But don't take this as financial advice. Make your own decisions, whether you want to invest or sell or do nothing, whatever it may be. But your life, you can control what you do and what you do with cryptocurrencies. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to support this channel, check out the links below, and I'll really appreciate that. And as always, I'll bring you guys more deals on Daily Deals with Tim.